Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I am going to show you how to sublimate a magnet, and these magnets are super cool. I've done other magnets in the past that I haven't done videos on because they weren't really that cute. These are actually super cute, so I'm going to show you these. We're going to do it in Cricut Design Space. First thing you want to do is click on Shapes, and this is the little rectangle is what we're going to do with the little rounded corners, and I'm going to unlock it and put the dimensions to 4.2 by 3. And then we're going to go ahead and upload the image. So we're going to click on upload, upload image. Then you'll want to hit complex, continue, and apply, and print and cut, and upload. Now we're going to click on the image in Canvas and just shrink this up, and we're going to apply it to here. So I'm just going to kind of shape it that way. And since this photo will not stretch that way, if I go ahead and I try that, let's go ahead and try. Let's do duplicate. Okay, so if I unlock it and I just kind of stretch it, it is probably not going to look, it'll look distorted. Don't you think? Let's see. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so we're going to do this, and then I'm going to change the color in the back, and I'm going to just kind of make sure that this looks kind of centered throughout. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and then select align, and then center, just to make sure it's right in the middle. And then let's click here and try a different color. We could do, let's try green. Yeah, I like green. That looks awesome. Okay, so we're going to select both of these and group it together, and then hit flatten. And now we are ready to, let me go ahead and get rid of this one. We are ready to go hit make it, and we are going to send it to the sublimation printer. And you know what? Let me get rid of these. Those were the magnets I did before. So let's go ahead over here and hit hide and hide. All right, now we're going to hit make it. And you need to mirror the image because we are sublimating, and we're going to turn it over and apply it to the magnet and heat it. So go ahead and hit continue. And if you note, you'll see that I'm using 8.5 by 14. You definitely don't have to use that. I'm just not going to change it just because I already have it set and it doesn't matter. So we're going to go ahead and hit send to printer, and again I'm going to send it to my Epson, which I converted to a sublimation printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on, and then I'm going to select use system dialog. The reason I'm doing that is when I hit print, it'll take me to printer settings where I can make the changes that I want. So we're going to click on preference, and then we are going to make sure our paper type is the best quality or whatever that you're using. So mine is a paper matte, so I want to change it to that. Quality is high, and you'll want to make sure that reverse and collate are off. Next, we're going to go to more options. Make sure that the high speed and the mirror are off since we are mirroring it in Cricut Design Space. Then advanced. And for the color controls, the color mode, I do Adobe, RGB, Gamma 2.2. And then you'll adjust your settings to your liking. Hit OK, hit OK. And then we're going to go ahead and hit print. Okay, so this just came off the sublimation printer, and you can go ahead and use Cricut to cut it if you'd like. But I'm not going to because I like to have a little bit of excess over it to just kind of help it wrap around the magnet. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this just like that. And then let's just go ahead and let's loosely just cut it around. And if this is your first time sublimating, just to let you know, the color comes out different. It comes out not as vivid because once you heat it, the color will pop. So these are the magnets that I got, and they're 4x3, and they're so nice because I've had a few other ones that just were nothing like this. So, and these are for sublimation. So you have the magnet on the back, and then you have these here. These do not have a film on them. So what you do is you apply the image directly on here, the first thing you want to do is clean it. So I'm going to use rubbing alcohol. And you just want to remove any, you just want to clean it first and make sure that there's no dirt or anything like that on there, because once you sublimate it, you'll be able to see it more, the dirt. And there actually is a lot on here. Okay, so then you want to make sure you dry it really well. Next, you'll want to take the image and you'll want to apply it on here. So I'm just going to turn it upside down this way and just make sure I have it aligned and it's just kind of centered throughout. And then you need to use heat resistant tape and tape it. And you want to make sure that it is taped very securely because you don't want it to move at all. So I'm just going to kind of bend this over, and then I'm going to do the top, and then I'm just going to do the bottom just so it doesn't move. So just like this. Okay. Okay, so look just like this. Then we're going to take parchment paper and I'm going to just place it inside, and I'm just going to fold it over just so it kind of stays. And I am going to put this in the heat press. So I'm going to set the heat press to 340 degrees, and then we're going to press it for 60 seconds. And I am going to take some sublimation tape and just kind of tape this to here because it's so lightweight. I don't want it to end up getting stuck, just falling back there. Okay, so let's go ahead and place this in here, and we're going to press it for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go ahead and take this off. Doesn't that look so cool? That looks awesome. That looks so nice. What do you guys think? So easy. You can do so many different projects with this, and it just looks so nice, and it feels so good. And then the magnet. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.